I'm your host, Steve Giovanoni, and I'll be your guide for the process of learning to play a band instrument. All the videos contained here on this website are designed to help you have fun, as well as improve and learn the fundamentals of playing your instrument. So let's begin, and let's have fun. Congratulations on selecting to play percussion. I'm really looking forward to teaching you all the awesome instruments that are part of the percussion section. First, let's learn how to assemble and disassemble our snare drum, what the parts of the snare drum are, and also how to store it in our case. The parts of our snare are the batter head, the shell, we have the snare head, we have the snare strainer. Here's our snare mechanism, here's our release, and here's our tightening screw for the strainers. We have our tension rods, and we have our hoops. When you go to put your snare on a stand, make sure your stand is completely set up correctly. Make sure all of our wing nuts are tight, make sure the arms are open, and this is adjusted so that it's wide enough to sit in here. Place our snare drum in our stand, we make sure that the snare mechanism is going to be facing the playing side. Once our snare is seated, make sure you tighten up. Up on the arms, and now your snare is safe to play. When we want to take it apart, we're going to do it just the opposite. We're going to loosen up the nut on the arms. Take our snare out. I will leave the snare mechanism engaged. I do not release the snare. Place it back in its case. Close the case. Make sure I close it tightly. Zip the latches, close the zipper. And I'm all set to close up my stand. Release all the nuts, fold up my stand, and put everything away.